Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Subscription Box Saturday, and on this video, I have for you what I think is my April or May Diva Bag by Sonya. I'm really not sure which one this is. I don't know if this is the April bag or the May bag. I can't remember if I showed you an April one, so it's one of the two. Without further ado, let's see what I got. Okay, guys, so here's my bag. How cute is this? Of course, I covered up all my address info, but I wanted to show you guys, if I can zoom in here. Look, it says to the audacious Amber Meeks. How cute is that? I love how she put something different on each and every single package. That is awesome. And check this mailer out, guys. How cute with the lemons and the teal. Loving it. Super cute. All right, let's see what she's got in there this month. So it says, I am happy to be alive. There's the little card. That's why I don't know which one this is. I don't know if it's April or May. I'm really not sure. So it says, Amber, thank you for being an awesome customer. And it's signed by Sonya. Super cute. Love that personal touch. All right, guys, let's just jump into this thing. So we have an AOA Studio Wisp Enhancing Mascara. That's cool. I'm happy to have another mascara. Excuse me. And I do like the AOA brand, so that's cool. All right, let's dig in here. We have Coors Pomegranate Grenade Lip Butter. Okay, so here's the packaging on the outside, guys. So that's what it looks like. Let's open this bad boy up and I'll show it to you. Maybe. Oh, it pushes out. Okay, got it. Oh, cool. All right, so here's the packaging on the inside of it. Cool, cool, cool. All right, so yeah, pomegranate grenade. Ooh, doesn't smell or anything, but there's the color. Super pretty, right? All right, I am digging that. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to the next thing in the bag here. Oh, what? I mean, what? Let's pull these puppies out. She got some earrings in here. These look super cute. Oh, yes, please. Oh, these are adorable. They say boss on them. Oh, stop it. Look at these earrings, guys. Oh my gosh, I love them. Oh yes, I will definitely rock these earrings. Oh my gosh, this is probably the cutest accessory that she's put in one of her bags. I absolutely love it. That is really cute. Okay, what else do we got in here, guys? Let's dig in and get the rest of it out for you. So we have this 24 karat gold lip gloss. That's awesome. Totally happy to have that. I love trying new lip glosses, and I do use them all the time. All right, so now we have Clean Color Along the Lines Liquid Eyeliner. Yipers. Looks like it's in this color right here. I am not going to open this, guys, because I will most likely pass this off to my niece because I'm just not good with the liquid eyeliners. All right, guys, we have a couple more things in here. One of them, she loves to put a little snack. We have the Welch's Fruit Snacks. Yes, I eat these all the time, and I absolutely love them. But I got to say, I've never had the summer fruits. Excited to try that. Ooh, look how pretty this is. We have a Clean Color eyeshadow palette. Look how pretty that is, guys. Wowzers! That is so pretty. All right, let's open this bad boy up and take it out of here and see what we got going on. Look at that. Wow, they went all out on the packaging. Let's hope that the eyeshadow delivers as well as the package does. Let's open it up. Ooh, we have a mirror on the top here. But this is pretty, guys. I'm feeling it. Ooh, I'm going to keep the little... No, I'm not going to keep the protective seal on there so you guys can see it better. All right, there you go. There's the colors. That is a super pretty palette, guys. I'm definitely super stoked to give it a try. I don't know. I'm really excited about it. Yeah, that's cool. So that was the last thing in my bag this month. Wow, she killed it. Guys, this bag is only $12 a month. So for $12 a month, I got all of these products. I think it is awesome. She always delivers with this bag every single month, and I think it is 100% worth it. She puts unique, different stuff in there, and that's why I love it so much, and that's why it will continue to stay on my rotation. If anybody's interested in getting the Diva Bag by Sonya, I'll have everything linked in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Meeks. Meeks is my name. Try it again. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Subscription Box Saturday, and on this video, I have for you my... Is it April or May? don't know.